Sandalwood is known to heal your skin tissues. This healing property helps in getting rid of scars from wounds, blemishes, dark spots, and eczema. You can also use sandalwood powder for skin whitening as it removes skin impurities to give you an even tone. What to keep in mind while including sandalwood in your everyday beauty routine. While sandalwood can be used on all skin types, it can cause irritation to super sensitive skin. Make sure to do a patch test to check for an allergic reaction before applying on inflamed areas. Today in this video, I will share how to make skin whitening cream with sandalwood powder. You will need 3 tablespoons of aloe vera gel and 1 tablespoon of sandalwood powder. Mix these ingredients and your DIY is ready. Daily apply on your face and neck, wash it off next morning, and you will notice a big difference in 1 month. The combo of sandalwood powder and aloe vera gel is perfect caring solution for hair and skin with its nourishing properties. Sandalwood is derived from the trees of genus Santalum, which is capable of moistening, nourishing, and enhancing skin tone.